Hey guys, so I am currently going through the process of rebuilding my website. I recently switched from GoDaddy to Hostinger, which I find is way more intuitive than GoDaddy because it has so many features. It has all of the themes. You can use WordPress themes. It also has an AI website builder feature. I know GoDaddy has that, but in my opinion, Hostinger is way better because it has way more features. This is not an ad, by the way. So right now I'm just going through the website. I have my tagline, empowering small business owners to create powerful brands. That's what Empowered to Create is all about. And for my headline, I have Empowered to Create is a social media marketing agency that specializes in helping small business owners create powerful brands. Our services include social media management, content creation, logo design, and web design, all tailored to help elevate your online presence and drive business growth. All right, so right now let's see how this looks. It's not published yet. I still have to go in and obviously add more. This is just a template. Obviously have to go by and tweak it. Let's go to view page. Let's see how it looks so far. Okay, that's obviously not updated. Let me go back. All right, you can see the heading right here. I have my logo, Empowered to Create. And this section right here, these are the menu sections. I'm going to update this as well. And this button right here, I'm not sure what I want to do with this yet. You know, the thing about web design is that it's a process. Like, you can't just do this in one day. So I got to add my social media icons here. All right, let's go to this section real quick. See, it's taking time to load here. All right, so we are still on the home page. I do need to update this button right here, which says get my guide. I don't have a guide. And one thing that I do want this page to have is products. It has an e-commerce feature on this website, so I can just go in and add products. I do plan on creating digital products. This will all be launching in like some point in 2025, hopefully around Q2 maybe of 2025. I would start launching digital products. You know, I feel like if I create digital products, it will help me, you know, get some income coming into the business and also help, you know, my target audience, small business owners. And I'm talking like different templates, like Notion templates, Canva templates, you know, like content calendars, so on and so forth. So let me go to this text feature. And as you can see, they have different options. Let's see. Let's go to, I'm not sure exactly what this does, but let's say something along the lines of, let's try this AI feature. Let's not worry about AI right now. So I'm just going to say something simple, learn more. And style, I already have it set to the kind of style that I want. Let's see, border type. If I want a border around it. Content. I'm just going to say info. All right, so we have this. It's called a container. It has the headline, has the tagline, the headline, and the click to action button. It's all in one container. If I want to edit different elements within the container, I could just go in and click this little drop down menu here and click the heading, text editor, and the button. All right, so moving on to this part down here. I guess, you know what, let me go to the pages part. Right, let me see how can I go in and edit these. I know the next step for me is to update my social media. I do want all of my social media profiles on here. I'm on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, Threads, and YouTube. I want to have all of those icons right here in this left-hand corner. All right, so while that's loading, so my vision for this website, I wanted to basically be my hub for everything that's related to Empowered to Create. I want to have features like a blog. I want to put my blog content. I already have blogs that I've created. I want to start bringing those over to this website. I think I have about roughly 7 blogs. I know I want to do more blogs as we head into 2025. That's a major goal of mine, is to put more blogs out, make sure they're well optimized so that it can be seen. And also, like I mentioned, I want to start selling digital products. I want to have a digital product store on here. And I also want to include direct pay links to my services. If people want to sign up for my services, they can, click the link directly on the website. They don't have to go to another website or like send me an email. They can just click on it, and then it allows them to pay for it right then and there. So that way I can go ahead and get started on whatever service that they sign up for, whether that's logo design, whether that's social media management, whether that's web design. All right, so let me see if I can find this little social media section here. Let's see, search widget, social icons. There we go. All right, so cool. Let's go in and, that's down at the bottom. I thought it was going to be at the top. I guess I'll have to go back and edit the container. Let's see. Web designing for the week, y'all. I'm telling you. All right. Okay, let's see here. I think I'll have to go in and edit the heading, because that's what it is. Let's see, SEO, social. That's not it. That's related to search engine optimization, SEO. I know I do want headers and footers on my website, so I'll have to go back and change that. This is the Elementor canvas. It says no header, no footer, just Elementor. I do want a header. Let me go to full width. Let's see what that looks like. What I do like about Elementor is that it has all the different elements that you can add, different widgets that you can add to your website as container, like the different format that you can use for your website. You can have your website in a container format or in a grid format. Like, I'm new to all of this. I'm just going through. It has features like the heading, image. You can add text, video. You can include a button, which is your call to action button. You can divide the page. You can create space in between the different elements that you use. You can use a Google Maps feature. If you're a local business, this is very helpful. So people can find you, directly on your website. An icon, I'm assuming this is your logo. I could be wrong. And this Presto Player Media, I'm not too familiar with this. I would have to go and check that out. WP Forms, I think this is a WordPress feature. If you want to have contact forms on your website, you can allow people to go in and fill out their name, their email. If they're interested in your services, they could go in and fill out a form, and it'll send that directly to you. and the pro features. And this is obviously a cost. It's behind a paywall. I won't get into that just yet. I just want to set up the website right now. And some of these features are quite interesting. They have a search feature, they have a post feature, and this will probably be helpful for the blog. Let's see, you have a portfolio, you have a menu, form, loop grid, loop carousel, gallery, animated headline. Now that's interesting. Price list, price table, flip box, call to action, media carousel, and so on. All right, so you have tabs. There's so many features that you can have on this website. SoundCloud, if you're an artist, you can have a direct stream of your music on your website. They have so many good features to use. They have a link in the bio feature on here as well. They have a checkout form. And here are some of the WordPress options. It's very in-depth. I probably have to get the Pro widget if I want to get that, because I do want to have price list and price table and the post feature. It says use post widget and dozens more pro features to extend your toolbox to build your sites faster and better. So let's go to, this is a headline. Let me trying to see how would I go in and edit the header. Let's see. We'll go to site identity. No, that's not it. Would it be additional settings? Man, WordPress is a beast. There is a lot that you can do. Okay, let's X that out. Let's go back. All right. All right, I'm trying to see how do we edit this part, this header part. The crazy thing about Elementor and working with WordPress is that there's so many elements to this, and it can be overwhelming. It can be a bit overwhelming if you're just starting out. Like, especially if you never built a website before. And I do have some experience with building websites. And even I find this kind of, it's a challenge, but it's a challenge that I'm willing to accept. See what I'm saying? All right, let's see if we can edit this header. See if we can make that background transparent, because right now it's black. I wonder why my social icon's not popping up. Okay, here we go. They're just hidden for some reason. Let's see, header builder, transparent header. See what would happen if we enable it on a complete website. See header presets. Let's go save draft. Let's go back out. go to theme builder. Crap. It won't let me update the header. Let's see. Well, I guess for this is crazy. I guess each theme has different elements. Because how I got this one was, I think it was under the starter templates. And I went under Elementor. They have a crap ton of templates on here. Let's see if we can do it with AI. Empower to create. This website is for agency. I'll just go on my LinkedIn and copy this over. Wait. All right, so we got to put in our email, and not going to put my phone number in. I have to go in on Facebook. Let's see. Should be already logged into the business account. So let's go in and copy and paste Facebook account URL. Whoops, didn't mean to do that. Go back. Let's go to Instagram. Let's take a look at my Instagram page. Let's go to LinkedIn. We were just on LinkedIn. I'm just copying each social media profile just to see what it does. Let's see, go to YouTube. By the way, if you want to subscribe to the page, go ahead and hit that subscribe button at Empower to Create. Let's see, let's copy and paste the YouTube and what else? Twitter, Google My Business, and Yelp. We ain't worried about those yet. Okay. We can skip this. I'm just gonna see what AI gives us. Agency, web designer, consultant. Okay, so it gave us quite a few options. These are AI generated. I don't want to just solely rely on AI generation. And by the way, I'm not going to be using AI to design websites for clients. All right, so now I just got to choose which one is more I guess I could work with option 31. Let's see, let me go right back up. These are pretty solid designs from like not anything too crazy. Let's see, let's social media manager, agency, web designer, social media manager. Okay, let's do graphic design. I don't know. I'm not quite feeling it, to be honest. I kind of like the homepage that I had already. Let's see, edit with Elementor. To be inside, we'll go back at. I really hate I can't update that header though. I just have to disable the header for now. Let's see, let's go back. Status publish. Whoa, we are not in the publish stage yet. It's draft for now. Yeah, we are not ready for that yet. So we are going to go, let's see. Status, it's in the drafts. All right, let's see. Let's go to Elementor. You can tell I'm sounding a little bit hoarse. That's just usually how my voice gets when I'm about to go to bed. It's about that time. All right, so no header, no footer, just Elementor. Okay, cool. Let me see if I can just add something right here. Flexbox, grid, select your structure. I just want to add something here. See if I could drag it like, I think I would have to edit the container. See, add element. Let's go to social icons. I don't know. I don't think this is gonna work. So I'll probably just delete this. And then, all right, it is 9:33. I gotta hurry up and get ready to go to bed. I will come back to this another day. Yeah, I'm gonna have to come back to this. I'm pretty tired, so I will be right back. Like I said, WordPress is a bit of a learning curve, but I'm determined to figure this thing out. All right, that's all from me. Peace.